possible to go to other places instantaneously. There are even stories about space vehicles. Those kinds of items are what we call the gifts. Excuse me, are those space vehicles real? I'm just passing on what's being said. I'm sorry. You'll probably find more information in a big city. Yet, unfortunately, the east exit of the village is buried under rubble, so you can't use it. We could get rid of the rubble with a bomb. Isn't there a bomb somewhere? I'm sorry to say, but perhaps in the Mile ruins there could be some. But an atrocious monster has come to live there, so it's really dangerous to go in there now. Then, well, kill that monster. But your opponent is quite powerful. Kampa, it'll be okay. This guy and the others are strong, they'll kill it. Possible. Even if I tell you that, you won't give up. Nevertheless, be careful. I can't really do anything, but you can use this place as an inn if you want. Come at any time without hesitation. Lent and I will be happy to receive you. Thank you. Well then, what about taking a break for today? Right, please rest. Ha ha ha. You can't refuse the because of a child. Did you sleep well? My ruins are right up to the
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it and banish all their fears. Sing a ta-ra-row and a row-row-row for the British grenadiers.